Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we are diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba J7, aka Roomba the Relentless, and on the right, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, or as we like to call it, Roborock the Rockstar. Which one sucks more? We'll find out! First off, let's talk about the thing that hurts the most, your wallet. The Roomba J7 comes in at $599. Not too shabby, right? But wait for it, Roborock Q7 Max Plus is a hefty $869. For that price, it better clean up my life, not just my floors. So if you're on a budget, Roomba the Relentless is already winning this round. But hey, maybe Roborock the Rockstar has some hidden talents to justify that price tag. Let's see. Both these bad boys come with some serious brain power. Roomba has imprint smart mapping, which lets you control and schedule which rooms to clean and when. It's like having a personal butler who doesn't judge your messy life. Meanwhile, Roborock isn't just smart, it's a genius with PreciSense LiDAR navigation. This thing creates precise maps of your home and can even be viewed in 3D. It's like having a tiny, non-judgmental GPS for your floors. Reviewers love the Roomba J7's advanced mapping and obstacle recognition, but some have faced software issues. On the other hand, Roborock users appreciate its accurate mapping and smart navigation. Now let's talk about hands-free cleaning, because who has time to empty a dustbin? Roomba J7 will start cleaning when you leave and stop when you come home. It's like magic, but without the rabbit and the hat. Roborock takes it up a notch with its auto-empty dock Pure. This thing empties itself and can store up to 7 weeks of debris. 7 weeks? That's longer than most of my relationships. Reviewers of the Roborock Q7 Max Plus love the convenience of the auto-empty dock, while some Roomba users find the small dustbin a bit inconvenient. All right, let's talk about suction power, because in the vacuum world, it's all about who sucks the most. Roomba J7 has decent suction, but Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a mind-blowing 4,200 pascals. That's enough suction to lift debris, pet hair, and probably your will to live on a Monday morning. If you need serious cleaning power, Roborock the Rockstar is your guy. Sorry, Roomba, but in the suction department, you're kind of like a Dyson wannabe. Reviewers confirm that the Roborock's suction power is truly impressive. Both vacuums come with additional bells and whistles. Roomba has customizable keep-out zones and clean zones, so you can tell it exactly where to go and where to avoid. It's like training a dog, but without the treats and the barking. Roborock, on the other hand, vacuums and mops at the same time and has 30 water flow levels. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Plus, it has an upgraded brush system that resists hair tangles. If you've got pets, this thing is a game changer. Reviewers appreciate the versatility and additional features of the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, while some Roomba users are satisfied with its customizable zones. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Both the Roomba J7 and the Roborock Q7 Max Plus have their strengths, but it really comes down to what you value more: price, intelligence, hands-free cleaning, suction power, or additional features. Reviewers have highlighted the Roomba J7 for its advanced mapping and ease of use, though some faced software issues. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is praised for its powerful suction, smart navigation, and versatile features, despite being on the pricier side. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, check out the product links in the description. Until next time, stay smart and keep those floors clean.